Well, this is one single dormitory room at Rind Road residence. So please come in. Here is the room. It's a very lovely space. So here we have your own 3-letter shelf up here connected to the wall, which I think saves a lot of space. So that's pretty great. You also have your own desk with a chair. Go Vikes. You also have great natural light over here with a great view over. It's actually Lansdowne one building, but great natural light. So the toilets and showers at Rind Road are actually separate. So here's the shower, so let's go inside. And here is what the shower looks like. And you have this really nice small shower area. And it's also very private, which is great. Here we have the bathroom. You get your own toilet, you get a sink plus a mirror. Oh, sorry, are you filming already? Sorry.